You can watch YouTube TV on most hotel TVs, even if they are old or locked, by using your own streaming device or casting from your phone. Here's the easiest way to get it working wherever you stay. Start by bringing a streaming device such as a Roku, Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Apple TV. Plug it into the hotel TV's HDMI port. If the TV input is locked, look for a source or input button on the side of the TV or on the hotel remote. Many hotel TVs still allow HDMI switching, even if apps are blocked. Next, connect your device to the hotel Wi-Fi. Some hotels use a login page that appears in a browser. If your streaming device doesn't show the login screen, use your phone's hotspot instead. Turn on mobile hotspot, connect your streaming device to it, and continue. Now install or open the YouTube TV app on your streaming device. Select Sign In to display a TV code. On your phone or laptop, go to tv.youtube.com/start, enter the code, and sign in with your Google account. Once connected, you can watch live channels, DVR recordings, and on-demand shows just like at home. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.